Okay, welcome to week 21, assignment 1. For this assignment, you're going to be using your landform PowerPoint from last week's assignment 2, and we're going to put animations or transitions on them. And basically what that does is instead of it just showing up and going away, it will have some kind of feature like a fade or it'll float off the screen or up or off, whatever. So there's a whole bunch of different ones you can do, and I'm going to show you some of them, or you can go right here and you can watch a short video from Microsoft. So whichever way works for you. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to go to you should have 10 or 11 slides if you have a copy, but you should have 10 of these. I only still have my 2 from last week. But what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to the top. These on this toolbar is called ribbons. So we're going to click on the animation ribbons. And we're going to click here. And one of the easiest things or the best ways that you can do this is if you look at and click here, it says animation pane. Then you can see all of the different things you have happening on that slide. So if I click here, we're going to start real easy, and I'm going to click here, and there's some entrance effects, or you could just click here, and there's some that just show up here. These are like the ones that most of the time people like to do. And then I'm going to click this one, and I am going to select another one. Let's do float in. All right. So now if I went to play my show, nothing's happening because you have to click it for it to happen. So if I click, there's my first one. If I click again, there's my second one. And then I will go to my next screen. I'm doing it on a click. We're going to be doing it differently in for future weeks, that it'll do it on its own and so on and so forth. But for right now, I'm just showing you how to put multiple animations on one slide, because this will be hugely important for assignment 2. So I'm just going to, on this one, I'm going to go ahead and put in a couple animations. So I'm going to select one. I'm going to be on my animations ribbon, and I'm going to click that one, and then maybe this one. I'll go down here to the more entrance effects and have it be a diamond and click OK. Now, I want to show you one other thing. You do not have to do it for this assignment. You only have to have 2 animations on each slide. But if you would like, you can also have things go out. So if I went here and I played my slideshow, all right, so I would show, and it would come in, and then it would come in. But now the next one, it'll go here. Well, if I wanted to, I could make this one go away, this one go away, and then go to the next slide. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to select your picture, and you're going to be on your animations pane, and you're going to say add an animation. So I want to add an exit effect. I want to take it out. So let's try blinds for that one. And then we're going to select this one and add an animation. And we need it to exit. So we'll do circle. All right, so now if I go over here to my slideshow and I play this slide, here's my picture. I'm going to click, There's one picture. I'm going to click again. There's another picture. If I click the third time, it takes this one away. If I click the fourth time, it takes this one away. And then it will take me to my next slide. The last thing I just want to talk about this week, and we're going to be working on it more next week, is the difference between transitions and animations. Animations is what you do on a slide. You make things move, you make things disappear, you make things do something on this slide. The difference between animations and transitions is transitions are in between the slides to go from this slide to this slide, from this slide to this slide. Not what happens on the slides, but in between the slides. So for this one, we're using animations. This week we're talking about animations, and next week we'll work on animations and transitions. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know, message me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.